What's the revolution based on? What's the revolution? It's based on land. Yeah, land. Why do we want land? For independence. Independence. And how will we get that land? Bloodshed. Keep working your way, don't even trip. We're gonna work our way south. We'll meet. Let's tear down the frontera. Brown berets and calaveras. Bolsas pa' las balas en las mayaveras. Pants tucked into my boots like brinca charcos. Listo pa' la guerra, Comandante Marcos. Waiting for a sign, we've been running for a long time. To get across this imaginary line. Made to separate my people from the mind. It's a crime how you keep us all deaf, dumb and blind. The white man's politics, white man's secrets. Take that dirty culture back to Europe, you can keep it. And we can get back to the ways of our roots. Living off the land with the herbs and the fruits. Respecting all the animals and what we consume. We'll all apologize to Mother Earth and crawl back in her womb like a baby. Maybe one day we'll make it, and those who don't surrender will kill you and take it.
Here we go, stomping in our big brown boots to take back the land and reclaim our roots.
Here we come, stomping in our big brown botas to kill the migra, to kill the chota.
Here we come, stomping in our big brown boots to take back the land and reclaim our roots.
Here we come, stomping in our big brown botas to kill the migra, to kill the chota.
Here's the product of your poverty, the one that you create, the one you held down and you always fucking hate, the one you locked up, got released and came back. On a train called the movement, we steaming down your track. So sooner than later, you gon' find out who we are. When the motherfucking evil covers up all of your stores. When the flag's replanted by a